The Alerta SensorFlow hybrid mattress system is the world's first 4-in-1 hybrid mattress. The sophisticated design provides effective comfort, care, and pressure redistribution for users up to very high risk of developing a pressure ulcer in hospital and care home environments. It comes with a built-in fire evacuation strap system, allowing the mattress to be quickly moved with the user still in position during emergency situations. At the foot of the mattress is the adaptable heel zone with 4 sensor gel foam cells. If the user has a heel ulcer, these cells can be individually removed and repositioned according to their needs to create zero pressure under the heel and improve circulation. In the center of the Alerta SensorFlow hybrid system are 10 self-adjusting foam-filled air cells. Some other hybrid mattresses have air cells underneath the foam, which causes 2 problems. The cells inflate against the foam, which absorbs the pressure-relieving properties, creating a hardened surface. This action also increases the overall mattress height, which can create height issues for those that use a bed rail. When used without a pump, the Alerta SensorFlow hybrid performs as a high-specification foam pressure redistribution mattress. When used with a pump, it performs the same as an air mattress system, and the user interfaces directly with the air cells. This is far more economical for care providers as it removes the need for 2 mattress systems. There are 2 ways to use the pump: have it operating permanently as an alternating air system, or to semi-inflate the air cells and then seal off with the transport cap. This creates a balanced air, self-adjusting, semi-active hybrid mattress. The washable multi-stretch PU fabric on the cover helps to protect the skin's surface and promote healthy blood circulation. The welded seams make the cover water-resistant and breathable. It is antimicrobial, machine washable, and can be wiped clean to ensure infection control and cleanliness are easily maintained. The integrated cable management system is designed to keep cables tidy and prevent them from becoming a safety hazard. The Alerta SensorFlow hybrid is available in widths of 90 and 120 centimeters with a maximum weight capacity of 250 kilograms. This demonstrates how truly versatile and multi-purpose the Alerta SensorFlow hybrid is, with unique benefits for both the user and care provider, delivering superior, industry-leading pressure relief care.